Diversify, maybe across different instruments, some forex, some indices, maybe commodities. Diversify across time frames too, some short-term scalpers, some longer-term trend followers, and diversify across different types of logic, maybe one trend strategy, one mean reversion strategy. That way, if one system hits a rough patch because the market conditions aren't right for it, the others can potentially carry you through. It creates a more stable, robust portfolio edge overall.
Precisely. It's about embracing the reality of dynamic, ever-changing markets. Real stability, real long-term success. It comes from diversification, not from chasing some elusive single perfect solution. You're building a collective strength. The weaknesses of one strategy get offset by the strengths of another. That creates a much more robust, much more sustainable trading operation. It's about achieving a cumulative advantage over time rather than relying on a single flash of brilliance. It ensures your whole trading business can actually weather whatever storm comes along.
So we've just walked through 5 pretty critical pitfalls, haven't we?
Uh-huh.
Things that can really derail even the most promising automated trading strategies. We covered the dangers of using too little data, ignoring robustness testing, the trap of overcomplicating the rules, mismatching your broker settings, and that big one, chasing the elusive holy grail. We've seen how easily that initial excitement can just fizzle out into real-world disappointment if these mistakes aren't really tackled head-on with rigorous thinking and testing.
Yeah, and the powerful lesson that really comes through from all the sources we looked at is pretty clear. Real world performance. It demands real world rigor. And maybe even more importantly, a fundamental shift in perspective. There isn't some magical, never losing system just waiting out there. Instead, the true strength, the real edge, it comes from thinking like a strategic investor, building that diversified portfolio of robust strategies. Strategies that can collectively handle different market conditions rather than pinning all your hopes on just one perfect system. It's about building a trading business, really, not just finding a single golden ticket.
Ultimately, as the insights we've shared remind us, powerful tools like StrategyQuant X, they aren't just about generating systems like hitting a button. They're tools to help you build something that genuinely works in the future, something that can adapt, persist, and perform robustly over time. So what does all this mean for you, the listener? Maybe even beyond the world of trading.
Well, it raises an interesting question, doesn't it? Consider this. Where else in your own life, maybe personal or professional, might you be looking for a holy grail? That one perfect, all-encompassing solution, when maybe, just maybe, the true strength lies in a more diversified approach, or in rigorously stress testing your assumptions, embracing a more realistic, more robust mindset. What areas could benefit from you, sort of shaking them a bit, or expanding your data set beyond your usual comfort zone, or maybe building a portfolio of approaches to really prepare for whatever changes might be coming?